How to add card on Shein application. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be discussing about how you can easily add credit or debit card on Shein. So first thing first, just open up Shein application, and once inside here, so make sure you have already signed into your account. As you can see, I've already signed in with my account. Now select this me button at the bottom right corner. So once you select your me option, that is your profile icon. So now simply head over to the settings gear icon at the top right corner. You can see at the screen and just tap on that. And once you tap on that, you can see there is an option that is my payment option. So you can basically tap on that. And from over here, you can see there is an option that is add a new card. So select it and just enter your debit or credit card number over here just like this. And once you enter your debit or credit card number, and now you just have to enter your expiry date on the particular card and simply enter your 3 digits CVV number and just click on confirm. So once you click on confirm, your new card will be successfully added to your Shein application. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.